Guys, in today's video, as you can see from the title of the video, it's a grocery haul video, and this is more of a Caribbean experience shopping, guys. And not everybody in Canada has access to certain Caribbean foods, but where I live, I am happy to show you what is it that I have access to living in Canada. It's a Caribbean shopping experience. Okay, guys. So let's get into the video. And guys, I might have to make some adjustments so you can see clearly what is it that I'm showing you. So okay, so I'm gonna have to put the camera on another angle. Also guys, I was trying to get a full shot of me filming, but in order for you to see clearly what I'm doing, I have to get closer to the subject, okay? And also I'm working here with my microphone, so I think I need to speak a bit softer because the microphone is picking up a lot. And I uploaded a video the other day and it sounded a bit loud because I'm not used to the microphone. I used it in that video, I used it for the first time, so I think I have to speak a bit softer, the fact that I'm wearing the microphone. Okay, so guys, let's get into the video. Let me get this out the way. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this bag first. So in this bag, this is Bigfoot, and this is a product of Jamaica. This is Bigfoot, a product of Jamaica. I never had the Bigfoot before, but I've seen other people talking about the Bigfoot, so I think I'll taste it when I'm done. Actually, let me taste it now for you to see the Bigfoot. Okay, it's somewhat like cheese sticks. Cheese sticks is something I had in Jamaica. For those of you guys that have never been to Jamaica. And here I have sourdough bread, guys. So I choose to get the whole wheat because whole wheat is healthier, right? And I think I'm gonna be making some, because it's summer now and it's hot, I'm gonna be making drink or snow cone. So I thought, why not pick up the cola champagne, the Grace cola champagne. And for those of you guys that that are not from Jamaica, like, yeah, cola champagne is something that I liked growing up in Jamaica, and this is a product of Jamaica too. I'm just checking here. Yeah, I just want to make sure it is a product of Jamaica. I think most of these products are from Jamaica. And this is the national crackers. And I have access to the carbolic soap. The carbolic soap is it's like a disinfectant soap for you to shower with. And this is the Castile. I like the scent of the Castile soap. And this is the Dettol, another disinfecting soap to shower with, the Dettol soap. And this is the Excelsior crackers, and yeah, this is from Jamaica. And this, I like this when I get to go to the West Indian store, guys. The roasted cashew, I like it. It tastes, it just tastes rich. It tastes nice. I like it. So now let me get into the produce. Maybe I should just put this here. Okay, so jackfruit, guys. Okay, jackfruit. Like some of these produce, I think I'll put in the description below. For those of you who are not familiar with some of these fruits and vegetables, I'll put get you to know more about these fruits and vegetables. I'll put something in the description box below, so you can go there. And I got this from the West Indian store, $6.58, guys. Jackfruit is sweet. I like jackfruit. I love it. Some people don't like the scent. The scent is strong, but I like it, jackfruit. And okay, let me get into the fruits. And this is Julie mango. And this is the East Indian mango. East Indian mango. This is pumpkin, the Jamaican pumpkin. $3.12 for this piece. And they also sell them whole. And I have pepper here because one of my subscribers wants me to make rice and peas, so I had to get pepper, I had to get thyme, and I had to get the green onion. I could have used the one that I get from Canada, but I promised you guys that I would show you the green onion, the scallion. This is scallion, what we call scallion in Jamaica. The Jamaican kind is red right here at the tip in comparison to the one in Canada. And it tastes richer, so I have to make the rice and peas, so I have to do it the right way, right? The Jamaican way. And this is cheese, guys. This cheese we eat with bun in around Easter time. And this piece of cheese, as thin as it is, $5.39. I'll insert a clip of the can that they cut it from, the can. I'll insert a clip in the video. And this is Mountain Peak instant coffee. I never had this packet before, and these are like in packets, the Blue Mountain Peak coffee. And let me see here, this is a product of Jamaica, because sometimes they have things in the Western store that are not from Jamaica directly. And this, yeah, you guys, you know, I mentioned in the first grocery haul video the chicken noodle that you're familiar with. You've never seen me cooked before with it, but then yeah, that is it. And this is the Fosco oat. I grew up on this type of thing, guys. Fosco oats. So I bought a little packet just to show you. Fosco oats, the healthy way every day. It's another oats, cholesterol free. Okay, I grew up and this one is from Jamaica too. This is a product of Jamaica. And this is chocolate. This is tea, guys, chocolate tea. Like around Christmas time, we grate this thing and make a hot drink, a hot beverage, you'd say. Yeah, you sweeten it with milk, and somewhat like how I show you the soursop. Yeah. And speaking about the soursop, you guys, I don't have soursop here today, but you're familiar with the soursop from the soursop video. And also the breadfruit. Yeah, I did the breadfruit video. And ackee, we can't get the real ackee here from the tree, but you saw. For those of you that have watched or may not have watched, you can go over to those videos and see how I prepare those products. And yeah, this tea, it's mostly around Christmas time we would make a drink from a hot drink. And in later video I'll show you how I make the beverage, the hot chocolate beverage tea. I'm not sure. Okay, this is the dry coconut. I think I'm gonna use this coconut to make the rice and peas for the my subscriber. And this, guys, is sweet potato. This is sweet potato from Jamaica, and the ones from Jamaica, they have the tag on it, the Jamaican tag. They're very sweet. And this, guys, is green banana. I don't know why they put all this red mark on the green banana. Let me see if I can get it out. Yeah, they probably mark it just for you to see that it is from Jamaica. So guys, like the Jamaicans one, you can tell, like this one says Saint Mary healthy. And also, guys, the Saint Mary bananas, like these bananas from Jamaica, you could have them for like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, they're still not ripe. This is the real green banana. This is the green banana I like, right? This is the green banana I like, guys. You have them for weeks and they don't ripe. But the ones from Canada, like you have them for 3 days, they start ripening. These things 3 weeks and they're still not ripe. You have them sitting, you're cooking banana, right? You don't want, I want cooking banana, not eating banana. So this is the cooking banana that I like. And this is yellow yam, guys. So the yellow yam, how I choose the yellow yam, there's a certain thing about the yellow yam. If it's too seedy, then it's no good. It's no good if it's too seedy. I'm not sure if you know what I mean about when I say seedy. Okay, so Edo's, I pick up Edo's. Yeah, this is Edo's Edos. A lot of you may know we get these in Canada too, the Edos. And we also get the Dasheen in Canada. I got this from the West Indian store. That's Dasheen, and this is, I think this is what they call the Negro yam. This one, somewhat white. Is it the same white yam, or yeah? And they call it the Negro yam. Okay, guys. And this is, I think this, yeah, this is cocoa. This is cocoa. And yeah, that's the grocery that I got from the West Indian store. So guys, I had promised to have tasted the Bigfoot for you, but I think I wasn't in focus. Yeah, you weren't seeing me, so here goes. It's okay. It's salty. All these items, guys, all these items, all these items are from Jamaica. They're product of Jamaica. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. For those that are watching and not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell. And thank you guys for all coming over one more time to my channel. And I want this channel to be a place of fun, guys, where we can communicate. Okay, so don't be shy. Like, feel free to go down into the comment section. And thanks for being here once again. I really appreciate you guys viewing my videos. And with that being said, enjoy the rest of your day, guys.